Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope all of you are doing well. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about Cambridge International AS and A level paper. This paper is based on paper 2 English writing and the paper code is 9093 by 22. I have already discussed and solved paper 21, May June 2025 paper, and the time limit is 2 hours. So, we are going to discuss about question number 1 and I will share my draft with you people. So, section 1 is based on shorter writing and reflective commentary. Question 1 is you are going to take part in a debate school about whether it is better to have one job for life or to change career on one or more time. Your head teacher has asked you to open the debate giving a short speech on topic. सबसे पहले आपने क्या करना है कि write a text for your speech using no more than 400 words. Introduce your point of view and create a sense of interest in the debate that is based on 15 marks. B part is write a reflective commentary on your text explaining how your linguistic choices contribute to fulfilling this task set by your head teacher. That is based on 10 marks. Then we have extended writing, and you have to answer only one question, and it is basically based on writing a story, like write a story which begins with the following: as I walked past the painting of man, I was sure that his eyes were following me. In your writing, create a sense of drama and suspense. Write 600 to 900 words. That is totally based on 25 marks. Other than that, there are two other options that you should opt as well. So I have solved this question number 2. So first of all, I want to share my draft or writing script with you. So please wait. So here is the written script which I have written or solved the question number 1. So section 1, question 1, part A. Good morning, principal, teacher, and fellow students. Today we debate a question that shapes life. Is it better to have one job for life or to teach or change career more than once? Both choices have real strength, real cost. So let me introduce each and leave you with something to think about. Okay. First of all, a single career for life supporter says stability matters. Imagine steady pays, clear progression, and deep expertise. A long term job can build trust, reputation, and mastery. The teacher who knows every cohort, the craft person whose hand remember every cut, there is emotional security too. Fewer jobs of uncertainty and the chance to grow roots in the community. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल उन्होंने क्या बताया कि आपके अंदर स्टेबिलिटी ज़्यादा होती है जब आप एक तरह की जॉब करते हैं. अगर अदर व्यू देखें तो वो कहते हैं चेंजिंग कैरियर्स अक्रॉस योर लाइफ एडवोकेट पॉइंट टू वैरायटी लर्निंग एंड रेसिलियंस. A career switch can rescue passion, open new opportunities and sharpen adaptability. तो अगर आप एक और पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू देखें तो अगर आप अपनी कैरियर को स्विच करेंगे किसी नई जगह पे तो आपके पास अपॉर्चुनिटी ज़्यादा होंगी, एक्सपोजर ज़्यादा होगा. विच इज़ राइट, कौन सा ठीक है? इट डिपेंड्स ऑन पर्सनैलिटी, circumstances, and the economy. Stability suits some, exploration suits other. But there is a middle path, planned transition. We can cultivate deep while staying open to change, becoming lifelong learners who nonetheless commit when it matters. ठीक है? तो हमें दरमियानी तरीके से चलना चाहिए कि जब ज़रूरत पड़े तो हम स्विच भी कर जाएं और अगर ज़रूरत ना हो तो हम एक जगह पर स्टिक भी रह सकें. For tonight debate, consider these questions. Do you value certainty over novelty? Are you prepared to retain? How much does community or money influence your choice? Think also about fairness, who has privilege to change a career and who must cling to one job. In closing, neither path is morally superior. What matters is making an informed choice, being honest about risk and supporting one another, whether we stay or we move on. I look forward to hearing your views. ठीक है, तो मैंने इस तरह से इसको अटेम्प्ट किया है. This is basically totally based on word count almost 285 and इस तरह से आपने इसको ए सेक्शन को अटेम्प्ट करना है. ठीक है, अपने पॉइंट ऑफ व्यूज बताने हैं. फिर इन्होंने बी सेक्शन में कहा था रिफ्लेक्टिव कमेंट्री भी करनी है. My aim was to introduce both viewpoint clearly engaging the audience and prompt debate. I open with a direct address, good morning, to establish rapport and authority. Short paragraph contrast the two position. I use parallel structure. ठीक है, इस तरह से मैंने इसको rhetorical questions भी यहाँ पे बताए हैं. Do you value certainty? मैंने अपनी ही speech को linguistic उसके ऊपर analysis किया है. The closing line, moderate, inclusive language aims to unite the audience, encourage respectful argument. इस तरह से मैंने इसको भी अटेम्प्ट किया है। आपने भी इस तरह से इसको अटेम्प्ट करना है। अगली जो है वो स्टोरी है कि एज आई वॉक पास द पेंटिंग ऑफ द मैन आई वॉज श्योर दैट हिज आईज वर फॉलोइंग मी। 600 टू 900 वर्ड्स में आपने ये लिखना है और स्टार्ट मैंने इस तरह से लिया है कि एज आई वॉकड पास द पेंटिंग ऑफ द मैन आई वॉज श्योर दैट हिज आईज वर फॉलोइंग मी। इट वॉज नॉट जस्ट अ clever brushwork. The gallery was nearly empty, the hush of evening settling our polished floor, and museum light, only a security guard and I moved through the room. Yet every time I turned my head, those painted irises, grey rimmed with the suggestion of tired red, seemed to shift of a fraction, taking my path along the wall. I stopped. The plaque said nothing unusual. Portrait of Arthur Morrow, 1929. I read the small type again, then craned my neck to study of face. The moustaches was on old-fashioned flourish, the suit cut, ripped diagonally through shadow. He might have been smiling once. Now, as I stood, I felt the weight of the smile as a question leveled at me. The guard passing a soft rattle of key. You all right? He asked. Yes, I lied. Just admiring the details. तो बेसिकली वो इस पोर्ट्रेट को देख के बता रहा है कि ये किसका पोर्ट्रेट है, 1929 में ये बना था और ऐसे लगा जैसे ये मुझे फॉलो कर रहा है। मुझसे गार्ड पूछता है तो मैं कहता हूँ जस्ट मैं इसकी डिटेल्स देख रहा हूँ। He shrugged and continued. When he had gone, the eye felt warmer as if the painting had noticed the lie. I moved on because that is what one does in galleries. One moves, one takes in, and one leaves. But the room at the far end had a small placard, temporary exhibit closed for restoration. The door beside it was cracked, a strip of warm light to leak through. The museum map did not show the corridor. Curiosity is a trait that wears well. It is also expensive. I slipped through the gap. Inside the restoration workshop smelled of linseed oil and old paper beneath. A tarp canvas leaned like quiet chirp. A radio murmured on old jazz tune. At the back, a work beneath held the photograph clipped to a board. A man younger than the portrait staring into a camera with the same grey eyes. Someone had scrawled a note beneath unfinished AM return. तो बेसिकली वो ये बता रहे हैं कि मैंने इसके अंदर ये बताने की कोशिश की है जिस तरह से मैंने स्टार्ट की है एक तमहीद बांधकर एक एग्जेजरेशन के साथ विद द पैसेज ऑफ टाइम मैंने उसके दरमियान में स्टोरी एक्सप्लेन की है, इमेजरीज वगैरह यूज़ की हैं, एक रीडर के माइंड के अंदर एक इमेज क्रिएट किया है, ठीक है। एट द सेम टाइम एक और बंदे का इस्तेमाल किया है जिसके अंदर उसको मैंने तशबीह दी है कि वो बिल्कुल पोर्ट्रेट की तरह लग रहा था और उसकी आइज़ भी सेम वही ग्रे आइज़ थी जिस तरह से पोर्ट्रेट के अंदर बताई गई थी, ठीक है। और उसके अंदर एक बीनीथ एक नोट लिखा हुआ था अनफिनिश्ड एएम रिटर्न, ठीक है। सो ये स्टोरी जो है वो कंप्लीट नहीं लिखी मैंने क्योंकि एक तो ये है कि स्टोरीज काफ़ी लंबी लिखनी पड़ती हैं। मैंने जस्ट आपके साथ एक ड्राफ्ट शेयर करना था कि इन दिस वे यू आर गोइंग टू राइट इन योर एग्जाम, ठीक है। इस तरह से आपने पेपर पैटर्न को फॉलो करना है, ठीक है। और इसी तरह से आपने कुछ इमेजरीज वगैरह और कुछ एक्सजरेशन के नोट्स यूज़ करके स्टोरी को लिखना है, ठीक है। So that's all from my side. If you have any queries, you can ask me in the comment section. Please like, subscribe, and share my channel. Keep supporting. Thank you so much for watching.